Already own a DIG3D probe and looking to upgrade with a new aluminum alloy body? Visit our web store under the category 3D probes, spare parts and cables and order the aluminum body as a replacement part. The aluminum body is compatible with all previous probe models and comes ready for installation. First, unscrew the screws on the bottom side of the probe. Open the probe and check that everything inside is in proper condition. You may also perform contact maintenance if needed. The contacts can be cleaned using a soft cloth or compressed air. It's recommended to apply a drop of silicone oil to the contact surfaces for optimal performance. During reassembly, pay attention to the unique shape of one part of the touch stylus, as well as the anti-rotation slot in the probe's base plate. These parts must be aligned together. Gently support the silicone seal with your finger and insert the touch stylus through it. Then rotate the PCB so that the IC on the PCB fits into the cutout in the lower part of the probe housing. Now it's time to assemble the probe. Locate the anti-rotation pin on the probe housing. Insert the spring into the body followed by the spacer, and then press in the sensing assembly so that the anti-rotation pin aligns with the hole in the PCB. Insert the 3 screws back into the bottom side of the probe and tighten them. Once the probe is assembled, you can perform a test. The idle state is indicated by a white light and probe triggering is signaled by a blue light. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.